Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to delete a server in Discord. First of all, launch open the Discord application on your mobile device or your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of Discord, go ahead and choose the server name from the left-hand side menu. After choosing a server, go to the top and click on the server's name. Now, from the options, tap on the settings button on the top right. Inside the server settings, tap on overview. Now, from the overview section, scroll all the way down and look for delete server button. After you find it, tap on it. In the pop-up, confirm by tapping yes that you'd like to delete the particular server. And with this, you have successfully deleted a server in Discord. The deletion action cannot be undone, and when it comes to deleting the server, only the server owner can do so. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.